Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Dr. Asmat binti Ismail. Today, our group will present about a sound level test. So, before our group present about sound level test, I will introduce all the group members. First of all, myself, Putra Muhammad Naufal. Second, we have Nick Alif Rusdi. Third, we have Muhammad Zarid. And the last one is Muhammad Azwar.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, my name is Muhammad Zarid bin Muhammad Zahid. So now I would like to explain the objective of our case study. Number one, to measure indoor noise level in a learning environment. To identify a possible source of noise that may affect comfort and focus. And lastly, to analyze the data and suggest ways to reduce noise in the space.
So what is sound measure in building? Sound measurement in building is a critical aspect of assessing acoustic performance, ensuring compliance with building regulation, and promoting occupants' comfort. This test evaluates how well a building isolates airborne and impact noise, as well as its internal sound insulation characteristics. So the location that we choose is our classroom in Fakulti Alam Bina and Hukum. The time that we choose is 2 p.m. until 2:30 p.m. And this assignment was conducted in 4 June 2005. So why we choose this location? Because our classroom has a lot of natural noise. And why we choose the time 2 p.m. until 2:30 p.m. because the time is the pack time. The student came to the class, go back to the class. A lot of students go back for a recess, and other natural sound that came in the time periods. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass to the next group mate.
Okay, now let's go to the instrument and stuff that we had been used in our case study. First of all, we have a sound level meter, and second, we have a tripod, measuring tape, and stopwatch. In the sound level test, a sound level meter is used to detect sound wave using a built-in microphone, which then convert those sound wave into an electrical signal. This meter measures the sound pressure level in decibel, or that have you taught us, dB, to determine the intensity of noise in the environment. For the tripod, it is to ensure accurate reading. The meter is mounted on a tripod to prevent hand movement or vibration from affecting the result and to keep the device at a consistent special head. The setup has maintained standard testing condition. Third, a measuring tape is used to correctly set the distance and height of the meter from the noise source. And lastly, a stopwatch is used to make sure that measurements are taken over a precise and consistent time period, as required by noise assessment guidelines. That's all for me. Thank you. I hope you can understand my explanation.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Azwar bin Mana, and I will explain step-by-step procedure to use sound level meter in the classroom. First, we need to open all the window in the classroom because we want to let it all the natural sound from outside like traffic or people to get more realistic reading of the noise environment. Next, we set date at the sound level meter and also adjust the timer to 120 seconds for each record in 30 minutes. Next, we place the sound level meter right in the middle of the classroom to get a accurate sound in the room. After that, we attach it on the tripod to keep it steady. Next, we use a measuring tape to make sure the sound level meter was exactly 1.2 meter above the ground. Once we got the right height, we secure the tripod firmly. After that, we start a stopwatch for 30 minutes, and at the same time, we begin recording the sound using sound level meter. And lastly, we take note on the sound when we hear the sound, and also the sound level meter can capture it, like cars going by, people talking, or any other background noise. So next, I will show you time-lapse video that we record about the procedure using sound level meter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nick Alifshri. Today I will tell about a result that we got from the test. The test we do from 1:24 p.m. until 1:56 p.m. For overall, we got the highest sound level at 1:56 p.m. It is 778.1 dB. The source come from the motorcycle. It has a higher sound level because the motorcycle has a loud exhaust. And for the lowest sound level, we recorded at 1:54 p.m. Uh, the sound level is 56.3 dB. The source is from the student footstep in the classroom. So the student footstep, the student footstep did not produce so many noise. So the record for the sound level is the lowest in this sound level test. I continue my presentation with three recommendations. First, we need to install an acoustic panel in the classroom. We should use sound absorbing material on walls or ceiling to reduce echo and reverberation. Second is we need to seal doors and windows. We need to install rubber seals or weather strip around doors and windows to block outside noise, because outside the classroom it nearest with the road traffic that the motorcycles and car often make a noise that will disturb the and produce many noise that will disturb the classroom. The third step is the third recommendation is we need to add a curtain or blind. We need this is because heavy curtain help absorb sound and reduce external noise. So this recommendation that we need to do to reduce the noise and make the student in the classroom more comfort and more focused to study in the classroom. In conclusion, the sound level test conducted in the classroom revealed that the noise level was higher than the recommended limit for an effective learning environment. This excessive noise can interfere with student ability to concentrate, listen, and communicate clearly with the teacher or the lecturer. The main source of noise include external disturbance like traffic, internal classroom activities, and poor acoustic design. To improve the learning environment, it is important to implement noise control measures such as installing sound absorbing material, sealing windows and doors, and add curtain and blinding to minimize the disruption of noise. So that's all for our presentation. I would like to say thank you to my to our beloved lecturer, Dr. Asma, and that's all from us. Thank you very much.